Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Ideal Organics. So I'm on a homepage, and I must say the logo is tiny. It's difficult to see. I think that's why I decided to put the image of your brand in this first product. However, this is not the best setting for the conversion rate. Ideally, you would want to optimize the logo. Mm, to display clearly, because if someone lands on the other page than your home page, he might be confused what this logo actually say. Also, consider showing one of your products in this featured image. It's much better for the conversion, because if you show logo, it doesn't tell a lot what you're offering to your visitors. So make sure to display an image of your product, then link to the product and add short tagline to say what it is, and obviously a call to action, prompting people to click. So this is really, really, really good for conversion rate, because when someone lands on a homepage, they can see right away what you're offering, so they're not confused, and obviously you give them the chance to browse your products further. I can see that your images change as well as I scroll down the page. However, I would start with showing your product image as a first one, and as I mentioned, link to the product or collection page, add a tagline and call to action as well. Okay, so I can see what you're offering. From the first impression, I thought that you're offering organic cosmetics, because obviously these are plants and organic. I don't know. It's just that was my first impression. I didn't expect furniture or home decor. However, I can see what it is. So more sustainable products, home products. Okay, beeswax food wrap. These are definitely attractive. I'm not sure how your prices are, because I mean, depends how many wraps are, but you can get them for no, 6-8 quid on high street. So consider whether this is I mean, if this is the price that you have to have, obviously consider justifying. Maybe it's like bigger packet, maybe it's a little bit more sustainable than the other beeswax wraps. Also, this discount is a little bit misleading, because it's only £1.50 discount. So I'm not sure how, trustworthy and really genuine people will consider it. If you want to offer discount, offer at least 20-30%, so people can feel it's really good deal. Okay, your product titles are very, very user friendly, which is good. Okay, so you've got 7-day returns policy. Okay. Make sure to add instructions how to contact you to request a refund, where to return the item. So this is all part of the trust signals and how people perceive your brand as authority. I would rename the products to shop. It is more call to action kind of tone of voice, and it indicates that people are more likely to take action upon a word shop, because it triggers this kind of thing. Okay, so shop, so I have to follow. So it means that it when it comes to website design and website kind of people are in this kind of really lazy mode, so you have to really lead them almost by the hand. Don't leave them guessing what to do next, because otherwise, and that you haven't got control which parts of the website they see next, and you have to design really strong sales funnel from the landing page to the checkout in order to convert the best, and you do it with stronger calls to action. Your collection page looks great because your images are so busy. I would display them at 3 items per row instead of 4, because this way the images will become bigger and people won't feel overwhelmed with too many details, almost jumping out at them. They will have more space to analyze each item separately and decide which one they want to click and view. Okay, I've got add to cart above the fold, which is good. Mm, I would add longer product descriptions to really describe the benefits of each item, benefits owning, because people buy not on the not on description of what the item is. They buy on the solution that they give. So obviously you have to tell about the benefits and the values that each item brings to their lives, and this is how people will be more likely to buy. Okay, we've got plenty of reviews, which is fantastic as well. About us page, this is really good place to build trust and to build rapport. So tell about actually yourself, your team. Don't tell about, this is very kind of very generic about us page, very cliche. So people don't really have anything to any content to connect with. Good example of about us page would be something that would contain your personal photo as a person behind the brand. That's what people makes connect with the store, makes definitely works towards improving the conversion, right? And tell about your personal story, what inspired you to start this business, what kind of experience you've got in this particular niche, and so on, because this is much stronger content that will convert more visitors into shoppers, because they can see who sells, and they can see what kind of authority you've got in recommending the products in the store. Okay, so these are shipping times. I would also add, you've got shipping policy. Okay, perfect. Um, Free shipping globally on all products. So this is good. Okay, so this is short and sweet, but all the information is there. Okay. Contact us. Okay, I'm going to check something. Okay, so you've got professional email address, which is good. So this is excellent. Okay, so this is sign up to receive 10% off, which is fantastic. Your SEO score is 55 out of 100. The meta title, so this is Google snippet visible in the search engines. Meta title is a little bit too long. You don't need, you mention variations of your brand name 3 times, so that's definitely, that is not necessary. This is Shopify default display of the brand at the end of the meta title, so you don't need to mention it in the meta title extra. So you can start with just organic food storage and beeswax wraps, and then automatically Shopify adds that at the end as well, because the character limit is only 65. You've got 93, so it will be cut off in the search results. Also make sure to stick to 165 characters, and also add call to action at the end, such as shop now, browse our store, and so on. I noticed you haven't got a blog, so it's a great idea to add written content to the website, especially on regular basis. That also helps your SEO. And Google prefers website with a lot of written content, so blog is perfect for that. Image alt tags. Make sure to define image alt tags with every image you add as well. Friendly URLs. Some of the URLs might be not SEO friendly, so they might be too long. They might be not very descriptive. So work on this as well. Your website loading time is a little bit on a slow side. I would love to see it loading in about 1 second. This is the new norm, and this is what really people expect. So I'm not sure what is causing this kind of loading speed, because we haven't got a lot of content on the homepage. So this could be something to do with those little elements that are mentioned here. So there's definitely something to work on, because that also counts towards your SEO and towards your sales, because people are not likely to wait for slow loading websites. They are much more likely to visit competitor with fast loading websites, because people are in a hurry. And as I mentioned, most of the websites now work on this website speed, so the websites load faster and faster and faster. So I do recommend working on this as well. I hope you found this review useful, and if you would like to learn how to implement these changes, how to optimize your images, how to add alt tags, how to optimize Google snippets, and how to optimize your website for conversion rate, please book a free chat, and the details are in the email. I'd be happy to go through all of these changes that I mentioned in the critique and show you how to implement them. So I look forward to chatting with you soon. And thank you so much for your time. It's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.